Hello, my dear children of class 9. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to continue with chapter 1, Greenhouse Effect and Global Warming. The greenhouse is a house made up of glass walls and glass roof. You have learned about greenhouse and global warming effects in your junior classes. Now, greenhouse is that house which is made out of glass walls and glass roof, which allows the sun's heat to come inside freely, but it does not allow it to escape or radiate out. So what happens in cold countries, these glass houses allow the heat to be trapped inside, and as a result of that, the trapped heat inside keeps the glass house warm. So even in winter, plants are kept there to be protected from outside cold air. So in cold countries where it snows a lot, the plants which cannot be kept alive in the snow are kept inside these glass houses, which helps them to keep warm. Alright. Now how this greenhouse is similar to the greenhouse effect of the earth? See, the main greenhouse gases, that is the carbon dioxide, methane, they form a blanket of air above the earth's surface. Now what does this layer do? This layer allows the sun's rays to penetrate inside, as a result of which this rays of the sun reaches the earth to keep it warm, but it does not allow the infrared radiation of long wavelength from the earth to escape into the space. That is, it does not allow the sun's heat to radiate or to move out of the earth, as a result of which the earth gets warm. Now up to a certain extent it is okay, because at night when there is no sun, unlike other planets, our planet do not become very cold. Now retention of heat by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Now what is global warming? Global warming is the undue rise in the average temperature of the earth's surface, like air, oceans, etc., due to excessive greenhouse effect produced by the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, CFCs, etc. Now when there is excessive greenhouse effect, as we discussed, then what will happen? Then there will be an increase in temperature. Why? Because normally the sun's heat is not allowed to escape or radiate because of this greenhouse effect of the earth. But when there is too much amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, that is carbon dioxide, CFC, methane, etc., what happens? Then the greenhouse effect increases, and as a result of which this layer of air, that is the carbon dioxide mixed with methane, they do not allow more heat to radiate, and so this heat remains trapped in the earth, and as a result of which the temperature of the earth increases. This is known as global warming. So greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, oxides of nitrogen. Now, burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum products, petrol, diesel, kerosene, and natural gas are the sources of greenhouse gases. So, this is greenhouse effect. The sun's rays are coming in and radiating or bouncing back to the atmosphere. But what happens? The layer of carbon dioxide does not allow some heat to escape. Now, global warming has introduced tremendous changes in the weather worldwide. It has caused melting of glaciers and polar ice caps, which has led to the rise in the sea level. Global warming is a serious threat to the existence of life on Earth. Global warming can cause about 0.5 to 2 degrees Celsius average increase in global temperature, causing breakup of ice sheet and permanent flooding of wetlands and lowlands. As a whole, there will be a great change in the climate in the near future. Some scientists believe that an intensified greenhouse effect could alter the ecological balance on Earth. Now, how to reduce global warming? Global warming can be reduced by reducing the emission of greenhouse gases like CO2, CH4 by all nations. An important step should be would be the minimizing the burning of fossil fuels and by using alternative sources of energy. So I hope you have understood, children. Please go through global warming greenhouse effect. Read this part as much as we have taught you today. In our next class, we are going to complete the chapter. Stay safe at home. Thank you, class.